Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we do the unboxing of the Fnatic Bolt. This is a wireless gaming mouse. Sorry, I'm watching Liverpool versus Norwich right now at the same time, so I do apologize. Alright, so comes with two different color options. You've seen one of them right now. This one's black, the other one comes in white, and it's going for, I think, $8, which is not bad. I ordered straight from Fnatic and got here really quick. So this is interesting. What does it have? So what's in the box? The mouse itself, the USB receiver, the USB extender dongle, thank God, power cord, USB Type-C, that's awesome. And additional set of mouse feet. Nice. More at the back of it. Ultra lightweight, 67 grams. Of course, esports grade 2.4 wireless. 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Flagship Pixar 3370. Up to 110 hours of battery life on 2.4. That is nice. Fast charging, connecting, Bluetooth 5.1. Ooh, okay, this is good. And it also uses the Kale GM's 8.1 switches, which is rated at 80 million clicks. And finally, the mouse feet uses the Ptfe feet. This is nice. Vegan Ptfe feet. That's just awesome. Designer London, made in China. Nice. Okay. So let's open this baby up. So what's the way to open it? I'm gonna open at the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna open up at the bottom. So let me grab something. Give me 1 second. Stand by. Forgot to bring that shit too. So I bought the box cutter out. My bad. I'm gonna open up from here, from the bottom. Also, I forgot to mention the warranty you get for them is 2 years, and they got 5-day tech support. So there it is. Boom. And let's hold up. Let me bring the box cutter again to open this. Come on, Red, score, you bastards! Ah, come on. Hold up, sorry, man. Ah, come on. All right. Where is it? I had it here. So that's done. Put that away. Ooh. The mouse itself. Ooh, this is nice. So right here, we got Bluetooth off 2.4, 3370, the mouse feet, USB Type-C, and the coating on this is really awesome. Now I want to put this in my hand. Ooh. You have been warned, the mouse pad is very dirty. Yes! Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. I'm, of course, watching Liverpool play. Don't tell me they're not going to count that. Sorry about that. So it fits really well in my hand. And I palmed this mouse. Now, I did spoke to Fnatic tech support about this. And they did say that this is designed for fingertip and claw. But it also works well for palm grip players as myself, which you can see it right here. It works perfectly. Now there's one RGB zone, which is at the scroll wheel. And I believe this is to change the DPI, which is awesome, which I want that. And you got the two side buttons. So let's do a quick sound test. So here we go. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna put that towards the side, and let's see what else is inside this bad boy. We do know that is a receiver, a dongle. Let me get this out of the way. Ooh, nice, well put. Wow, nice, well packaged. I like this already. Yes, I know we score, my friend. Yes, thank you for telling me. So this is the wireless receiver. Now, the thing that I don't like about it is that it sucks it doesn't have like a storage place to store your wireless receiver, but again, this thing's a little bit too big. It may be a pain in the butt if you lose it, but keep it somewhere safe that you know you're not going to lose it. This is the wires adapter, and that, oh yes, it has a nice rubberized grip at the bottom, because unfortunately if you have a Logitech wireless gaming mouse or the keyboard, it sucks that they don't have that rubberized base, that way it can keep still, because most of the time, I'm not gonna lie to you, on my Logitech G15 keyboard, the wireless receiver, sometimes it just goes at the bottom, because my table, as I show you right here, has a hole that I put my mouse cables and my keyboard, and sometimes this little bastard decides to go down there. Sorry about that. So let's see what else. It does come, oh my God, you gotta be kidding me, you scored again? Sorry about that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful right now. So it does come with extra mouse feet. It comes with a power cord, which is nice. So I'm sorry I'm getting distracted. I do apologize for that. But let me pause the video, set everything up to show you guys how it looks. And that'll be the end of the video. Stand by. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I plugged it in, set up everything. The only thing I really need to do is to install the drivers. Overall, this mouse is good so far. Really comfortable. And also, one thing that I really like already, that when I place my thumb, I'm not going to hit those side buttons. But let's see what happens when I start playing Escape and Tarkov. Really start getting more comfortable, getting used to the shape. I do want to make another announcement. I am going to get a new mouse pad. I'm also going to get another mouse, but I'm not going to tell you which one it is, so it's going to be a surprise. So stay tuned for those two things coming up. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.